Activating your Tesco credit card is now easier than ever using the Tesco app. This method is secure and convenient, taking advantage of the latest digital banking technology. Make sure you have your Tesco Club Card details handy, as these are linked to your credit card account. First, download the latest version of the Tesco app, version 5.8 Plus, from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and log in using your club card number, PIN, or biometrics like fingerprint or facial recognition. If you don't have an account, register one linked to your club card. Once logged in, navigate to the Banking or Credit Cards section and select your new Tesco credit card. Follow the prompts to verify your identity, which may involve entering a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number or email. Enter the unique activation code from your credit card welcome pack or email. Next, set your spending preferences, enable contactless payments, and link to digital wallets if desired. Finally, tap Activate and wait for confirmation. You'll receive a push notification and can immediately start using your card. For post-activation, test your card with a small transaction and monitor the app for any alerts. If you encounter issues, use the in-app help center or ensure you have a stable internet connection. Remember, Tesco prioritizes your data privacy, encrypting personal information per GDPR standards.